Kelvin Vincent Scarlett. Ang kalakalay ko is si Elizabeth Ramsey ng Davao City. Yan. Sige. Alam niyo ba ang kuya ko? Okay. Kinuha ko na yung puso mo, kinain ko pa yung saging mo.
My God! Sir Michael! She is banana! I would like to, you to meet, what's your name again? Scarlett. Scarlett with banana. Ay, palapakan natin yung mga girls natin, girls. Maraming salamat. Eto na, ibibigay na natin.
Sino ka daw? Sino